big tech companies who are literally kicked out you guys after every month. It is better to join an internship. Don't go for Tesla or other big tech companies. Now join the internship of automation engineer that is welcoming the grads and the currently enrolled graduates from 2026. So there are certain details that I want to let you know before joining this $35,000 internship. Who and what we require. So this position will be for those who are engaging, who are welcoming, and who knows the skill expertise that we require. You will be mainly responsible for working with an engineering team. So don't expect us that we would be throwing you at the managing position. You will be first trained. There will be a first trainee session, and those who will be performing quite up to our expectations will be welcomed to a managerial position. So what does managerial mean? That after you get trained, you will be performing some great task, then you will be welcome to a managerial position. So before that, what we expect you to know is whether you are from mechanical, electrical, or chemical sector, you need to have a good understanding about the control systems. So control systems, all the control speed controllers, all the control based logic, fuzzy logic, PID, so you need to know these things. You need to have a good grasp of hardware design and how to validate their outputs. That is the testing. So we look for those who have a good program logic to control the industrial processes and create human machine interfaces. Secondly, you need to have a good understanding about MATLAB. So those who have used the computer programs, they know how to perform various engineering operations. They know how to conduct analysis and provide related data information and to motivate to solve the existing problems and to further avoid such problems in the future so that the research solutions align with the company's goals. So our minimum requirements are that you must be enrolled in a bachelor's. Also, we have extended our requirements to master's degree program in preferably electrical, mechanical, and chemical engineering, as I earlier stated, but you must be from US. Secondly, you must have a good practice of using logical reasoning, critical thinking, and be a good problem solver. So, what do I mean by critical thinking is that you need to know what are the pros and cons of the strategies you will be applying to solve a problem. We encourage those students who, before performing a task, keep brainstorming what will be the actions that might lead to failure. First, think of those actions, brainstorm those actions that will lead to failure of the product. Once you know that what you don't have to do, then you will always perform the task that will lead to perfect outcomes. So we are requiring those sort of people, and this will be asked in the interview. You must be collaborative and cooperative. You must handle big data projects as well as those that are technically of high difficulty. But don't get confused. We will be training you, and we will be practicing, and we will be recruiting those who have a good mindset. And for mindset, we don't be recruiting the people who are extraordinary. We will be testing you at the interviews. So the compensation is $20 to $34 per hour. And as I earlier stated, that this interview will be quite focused and will be testing your knowledge. So thank you once again, and do apply for this internship. I will be looking forward to you guys.